The dashboard menu, you can go to the Divi menu, theme builder. In this section, it says default website template, global footer, then edit by clicking the pencil. This will be the footer. Our footer just has 3 text modules. We're going to go to elements. I'm going to show the post meta. I'm going to show the read more button, featured image. I'm not going to have a featured image. I'm going to change the border to 20 pixels. I'm going to change the text excerpt to 120. Content, text, excerpt length, make it 120. Then I'm going to move this all the way over here, move this here. You can also add other modules. For example, a gallery of photos. Images will consist of a logo. Let's have this. Okay. Let's move that all the way over here. Okay. Let's change this. Let there only be 5. Let's move this here. Move this here. There you go. That concludes the video. Remember to like the video, comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel.